Hi, I'm Calvis Yonrice, and I'm the Director of Business Development at Integrated Packaging Solutions. And today, I'm going to show you one of the great features of the AccuSTRIP Bodymaker stripper finger assembly, which is designed specifically for hard-to-strip, high aspect ratio type cans. It strips cans for aluminum beverage, for steel food, or for steel aerosol cans. And so I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to change out your stripper fingers and your stripper finger springs. So the first thing I want to show you is that a stripper finger looks like this and the spring looks like this. Now, the spring is made out of a chemical resistant rubber which reduces chatter on the finger because of its vibration dampening characteristics. So IPS will send you replacement sets of springs and fingers, which you can inventory on your shelves, and it's worth noting that a benefit of the AccuSTRIP assembly is that it runs an entire range of punches for your can sizes. So you don't need to inventory more than one size of fingers. So when it comes time to replace the fingers in your assembly, you simply need one size for one size can. It accommodates the entire range. So the first thing we'll do is grab your Allen key and we will break loose the screw from your bumper. We'll take the bumper out, and the bumper on the inside has the rubber spring. We will take that out, replace it with the new rubber spring. And once replaced, we'll set this aside right here. We'll take the old finger, set it aside, and insert our new finger. At that point, we'll take the bumper, put it back into its pocket, and reinsert the screw, tightening accordingly. And that's it. So it's very simple to replace your worn fingers and springs, and the entire process should take no more than 2 to 3 minutes. If you have any questions about the AccuSTRIP Bodymaker stripper finger assembly, please feel free to email us, give us a call, or visit our website.